who else is going crazy with this new normality? I mean, changing diapers all day, trying to keep up with office at home, trying to put the kid to study his online classes, trying to keep the kids away from each other so they don't fight the whole day. Really, at night, all I want is to finish with everything. And I try to do my best and forget the rest. And Anchor really saved me in these kind of nights when I just want to get over it. The Anchor frozen, fully cooked entries are conventionally packaged and ready to heat and serve. And we are taking advantage of one of the Mexican mom savers meals, quesadillas. We're making some quesadillas filled with Anchor gravy and 6 Salisbury steak with some guacamole on top. Yummy! To start with this recipe, we're gonna put our gravy and 6 Salisbury steak in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit for around 50 to 55 minutes. These entries are full cooked. We're just gonna get rid of the film that covers it, and we're gonna put it in the oven. In the meantime, we're gonna start by chopping tomato, onion, cilantro, and jalapeno for the guacamole. You will also need a small splash of milk. This will prevent the avocado from turning black. Some people just lime, but I don't like the taste that it gives to the guacamole. I prefer much better milk. Our gravy and 6 Salisbury steak is ready after 50 to 55 minutes in the oven. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of the steaks, well, actually a few of the steaks, and I'm just gonna cut them in little squares. This smells so good. Take your tortillas and put them on a warm griddle. You wanna warm up the tortillas before adding the cheese. Once they are warm, we're gonna add the cheese on both sides and some of our gravy and 6 Salisbury steak from Anchor. Now take one of the tortillas and put it on top of the other. Press a little bit, and we are in low heat. And we're just gonna let the cheese melt. Just look at this. You just have to put some guacamole on top. And enjoy. For your next family meal, remember to add Anchor to your cart through Basketful. I leave you the link in the comments. Some days all we need is some comfort food, don't we? Do your best, forget the rest. I know your family will be grateful with this easy family dinner. Amigos, I hope you enjoy it, and remember that I have new recipes in English every Thursday and Sunday here at Las Recetas de Laura.